I'm back with a update on Miami MD. And I have to tell you that I'm very pleased with the results so far. I've been using Miami MD. I've been using the Age-Defying Lift and Firm Cream. And this is my first week of using this. And also I'm using the Intensive Eye Repair Serum. And so I've been applying the product twice a day, in the morning and the evening, for 1 week. And I have to tell you that I'm very pleased with what I see so far. And one thing that I had noticed after I applied the product, how my skin felt. It didn't feel as saggy, and it really feels like it's kind of tightening my skin, but it doesn't feel tight. And what I've noticed most of all is I used to have these little indentations, I call them, that were on each side of my mouth, and they're starting to smooth out and even out. It's not as prominent as it was, and that was one of my main concerns, because basically when you start to age, those are the little things that you notice. And I don't wear a lot of makeup, and I like to be natural. So that was a really big concern. Also, I had these bags under my eyes, which I'm starting to notice that it's a difference from a week ago. It looks like that's starting to even out. And I didn't expect to have the results that I desire within 1 week. But I'm very pleased. And then right up here where there's like little, I guess you call them frown lines, they're starting to even out. And I don't see what I saw last week. So I'm very pleased with the Miami MD products. And so I will be back in another week to show you my progress and give you an update. So until then, blessings, everybody.